secret inside of me. I'm ready to reveal, to have you close, embrace your heart with my love over and over. These are things that I promise to you for all of my life. You are the one. I will love you faithfully forever, all of my life. You are the one. I give to you my greatest love for all of my life. Let me lay down beside you. There's something you should know. I pray that you decide to open your heart